How to change theme in Google Play Books. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So let's first open Google Play Books from here. I'm having it here in this folder, and open it. And then let's go to any book in the library. Let's say this book. And when the book opens, let's first close dark mode so the original theme appears for us. Now we can change the theme for Google Play Books. Tap anywhere in the page that is open for you, like here or here, so that the settings appear for us, but not in the upper right, because the upper right, this is how we bookmark the page. Let's now click here and click on the double A here. As you can see here, we can change the font and the font size and spacing, but to change the theme we are going to go to Lightning, and as you can see we can change reading brightness from here. If we turn it on, if we turn it off, the brightness is going to be set according to the device brightness. For the viewing theme, here you can change it to this, or this, or to the dark theme. You can also change the reading mode or the reading theme to the night light from here in order to turn this button on. When you turn it on, there is a blue light filter that takes effect on the page. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.